Okay, this is Dr. Moses here. I will help you out with this question, and if you need further help, please inbox me for private tutoring. Now, I've read the question and I hope you've read the question. We just need to find the structure of A, B, and C. So it says a non-A has that molecular formula. A reacts with hydrogen gas over platinum and carbon to give B, which means that this A right here is an alkene. How do I know that? Because A has 20 hydrogens, but I see after reacting with hydrogen gas, it gets 22 hydrogens. There's a double bond that receives those hydrogens. Reaction of A with CH2I2 zinc gives compound C. That's a called cyclopropane reaction. And as you can see, A has 10 carbons, C has 11. You are going to gain 1 carbon. A has 20 hydrogens, C has 22 hydrogen, going to gain 2 hydrogens. So you're adding a CH2, making a ring. So both B and C have centers of asymmetry and are meso. We'll define that later. Additionally, ozonolysis, which is the breaking down of the double bond of A, affords a ketone 2-pentanone. Propose the structures of A, B, C, and C. A, B, and C. So how are we going to approach this? I'm going to use the last information to kind of nail it down. So if I'm going to get 2-pentanone, okay, 2-pentanone means you have a ketone on the second carbon, a carbonyl on the second carbon out of the 5 carbons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you are breaking the double bond apart, you expect to get 2 of these molecules. Why? Because these are only 5 carbons, yet you have 10 carbons at the beginning. So you have 2 of these. Ozonolysis, which is usually ozone followed by, I think, dimethyl sulfide or zinc. I think those are the 2 options. So ozonolysis, which is these conditions, should break this double bond apart. So which means our original double bond might have looked either like that, or it might have looked like this. One, two, three, four, 5. So let me redraw this so that it looks beautiful. So it's either, probably it would have been with the Z isomerism or E isomerism. So either way, both of these under ozonolysis should give you 2-pentanone, which is given in the question. So let me use this one to see if it's gonna answer the question. So I'm assuming this will be the structure of A that gives me the pentanone. So we are working backwards. So if A is the actual answer, okay, so if I subject it to a hydrogen gas, okay, and platinum, what you're given here, I should lose the double bond and gain 2 hydrogens. So the 2 hydrogens will be added here. If you count the hydrogens, they're gonna be 22. The carbons will be 10. That will be B. Now, if I take the same A, okay, and I subject it to cyclopropane reaction, zinc, copper, I should add a cyclopropane across the double bond. So the CH2 will be added here. That's your CH2. So you can see that you can rotate this molecule. That's what we're talking about, asymmetry. And the molecule can be cut into equal half. So it's meso. And also this has a point of asymmetry. You can cut it into half. So it's meso. So yes, the true identity of A should be this alkene. And I've given you the structure of B and C. I hope that helped you out.